overview of the Skutter body in Fusion 360. I've also modelled the drive system so you can see that in this overview. We'll get rid of some bits and pieces. First up, the greebly on the side and the dome, so you can see the dome drive sticking through the body. I have 10 upper body panels. They're all keyed together just to help assembly. I'm printing in ABS, so I'll just glue them together with a normal acetone. So the upper body is separate to the base. So the base has the drive system, the casters, and holds the dome drive system. So there's the caster covers. So it's hollowed out underneath just to reduce printing time. So I have 9 panels or pieces for the base. As with the top, they're keyed together